Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your background colors of your Squarespace website. As you can see right now, the background color of this section, for example, is grey. And we may want to change this to a different color to kind of give the website a different feel. So there's two ways of how we can go about doing this. The first way is to click this Site Styles icon in the top right corner. And when you click on that, it'll open this sidebar. So what you want to do from here is click on colors. So here's where we can actually start customizing our theme. So if we click edit palette here, we can actually choose between a few presets of pre-built colors that work together. So if we click on this, for example, you can see it does change it. It also changes the buttons though. So you may not want to do this. You may want to change individual background colors. So don't worry, I will get to that in a second. But for now, this is a good thing to look at first, just to kind of look at all these color options and see what works well together and what doesn't. As you can see, this blue doesn't really work well, but if we switch to more like black and white, something like this looks really good with this sort of site. So you can choose between all these different designs. However, if you don't want to do this, you want to change individual colors, what you want to do is X out of this, and then we just want to click edit up in the top left corner to start editing our site. So in order to change individual background colors, so say we wanted to change this one, we'd have to scroll down to it so that we're in this section here. And then from here, we can just select edit section. So as you can see at the top, it says background and colors, and here's where we can actually change it. So if we select background, we can choose an image to have as our background. If we choose video, same thing, we can choose a video to have as our background. And we can also choose some artwork. So we can have different kind of designs on here, and we can see what this looks like, compare all these and see which one we like best. However, if we don't want to design, we just want a colour, we can go ahead and select colours up here. And then you can choose any of these, see if you like any of these. However, if you don't, just click this pen to the side of it. And then we can change this section background and then custom. And then now we can change it to any colour you want. So as you can see, it doesn't change the rest of the site. It does only change this individual section. So you will have to do this across all sections that you want this colour, and you can basically just choose whatever colour you want. So if you follow those steps correctly, you will have successfully changed your background colours in your Squarespace website. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully did manage to get that done. If you did, please comment down below to say that it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.